Can you show us your lips, Harper? Oh, they look good. Alexia, show us your lips. So what we have is Skittles lip gloss.
Skittles lip gloss.
And Harper wants
Skittles lip gloss. More Harper?
Harper, let's see. You're not supposed to eat it.
Not supposed to. Harper. Here. Here.
Is she trying to eat it?
Yeah.
Let's.
Let me see how sticky it is.
It's pretty sticky. Let's see. Come over here and do it so I can see your face.
What?
Come over here behind me and do it so I can see your face.
What? Ma, let me get some. Sip. Ma. Nasty. Mama, you were gonna eat it.
It goes on your lips, Harper. Show us your lips. All right, I love you, girls.
I love you, Mom.
Say I love you, Harper.
See.
Want to see? Oh, it's not. Let me zoom in on your chapstick. Can you show us your chapstick? Come here, Harper. Let me see your lip. Harper has a big chunk of it on her lip. Ooh, gorgeous.
Nice.